Let me tell you the long, sad tale of how we destroyed our privacy doors to our toilet. We were at VanFest and I needed to use the facilities. We had the back open and the side door open and had a lovely, lovely breeze going through the van, keeping us nice and comfortable. Little did I know that when I pulled this door shut, that lovely breeze would destroy our door, and now we need a new privacy curtain, which I am going to engineer myself using my vast crafting skills. The first process that we need to do is to measure to see how much fabric we're going to need to make this curtain. So let's call that 73 inches tall and 30 inches wide. So my plan will be to use the pre-existing hooks for the shower curtain and use those as the means to attach the curtain when needed to the door frame. Okay, so each shower hook appears to be about 14 inches apart. Here we are with our privacy curtain for the van, and I am in process of step 2, which is folding under the raw edges of the fabric of the curtain so that I can sew a handy dandy little seam here and won't have any exposed edges. So we've completed the handy dandy buttonholes so that we can hang this curtain from the shower curtain hooks and utilize it whenever needed. So they just go on the hooks thusly. And now you have privacy. The next step will be to hem the curtains and to put some weights in the bottom so that the curtain doesn't fly up at an inopportune time. So I put in the buttonholes at every 5-inch increments, just so that if you wanted to adjust the curtain or fold it back while in transit, you could do that, so you always have options. Buttonholes are easy to do, and that way now it's folded back and we're ready to go. Here we have our finished curtain, and the final step that I did was to add these handy dandy pockets to the hem. to allow for weights to be put into the curtain should we need them to keep the curtain from flapping in the wind while you're in the restroom doing your business. So we're ready to hang the curtain and give it its initial celebratory initiation. Ta-da!
Please hang up and try again.
Let me tell you the long, sad... Oh, Lord. Cut!
I'm ready whenever you are. Boom.
Hey, a little privacy here, please.